फाइनली सब पैकिंग हो चुकी है एंड आई एम ऑल सेट टू गो टुमारो मॉर्निंग टू मालदीव्स. मैं काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ. आई हैव चोजन दिस डेस्टिनेशन, हर्ड रेव रिव्यूज अबाउट द प्लेस. It's just a 3-hour direct flight from Mumbai. I've done all the COVID compliances जो गवर्नमेंट के बेसिकली सारे कोविड टेस्ट जो करवाने वो भी हम करवा चुके हैं. एंड टुमारो मॉर्निंग इज़ माई फ्लाइट. 3 hours में माई लाइफ इज़ गोना चेंज. Very excited for it, and I'm going to take you for my Maldives experience. Here we are, the D-Day, in an Uber, morning 6, heading towards the airport. So, the GoAir was showing gate number 6, but when we land here, now we have to go to A, which is on the another side of the airport. You can see the international terminal is pretty empty, but the domestic was very crowded though. So after a huge, exhausting long journey with the immigration, security, now the best part begins. This is the flight to Maldives. It's pretty packed. It's almost full. Way to Usain, a 45-minute boat ride, pretty bumpy one. Finally, here are we at Maldives. The hotel name is Usain by Atmosphere Group. It's a local Maldivian hotel. It's a nice sunny day and it's very beautiful, as you can see. Oh, so you can see behind me are the, you can call them beach villas or the land villas or whatever. This is just outstanding. So you can see life in two different ways. आप जिंदगी को दो तरह से देख सकते हैं. Life's a beach or life is a beach. I think life has to be the beach, especially the beach of Maldives. Just so unbelievable. This is the best time I'm having with my son Rajveer. How are you feeling?
Good.
It's lovely. This is the bar at the Usain. That's the name. Joy de Vivre. I think Joy of Life, because I know a little bit of French. So I think this is the biggest fan I've ever seen. So here we are at the bar at Usain and we have a lovely friend Mika. Hi Mika.
Hi, hello.
And are you local?
No, I'm from Philippines.
Philippines. Oh, she's from Philippines. And she's seen Indian movies as well, right?
Yes, I've seen, but it was long time ago, way back 2008. Yeah.
Yes, I'm from Chennai.
Chennai, lovely city. I love Chennai. Adiyar, where?
I'm
Avadi.
from Avadi.
Do you know the brand Dia?
Yes, of course.
Have you ever bought?
Yes. and my wife's favorite shopping destination, and even it's in Ananagar, and we used to visit whenever I go for a vacation. Yes.
So here I am at the Traditions restaurant, which is an Indian, Sri Lankan, Chinese restaurant. And every alternate nights they have different food. So tonight is the night for Chinese food, and the bar is lovely. I'm having some Glen Morangi, very smooth, single malt, loving it totally. This is the main ramp of the hotel, which connects it. Quite a long one, probably a kilometer. So this side are the restaurants, the main breakfast restaurant, the kids club, and this is the way where the water sports are, as well as the beach villas. Outstanding. So here we are at the water sports center. As you can see, lovely jet skis are here, the big ones. This is the banana boat. It's fun for kids, and this is called the fun tube. And you have all the different kind of life jackets. There's scuba, which is I think the best in Maldives to do. So Shana, what are you going? Which activity are you doing today? Fun tube. Are you scared or are you gonna enjoy? Hello. Show me your muscles. Yes. Come on. Let's head to the beach. Whoa. Are you enjoying? Rajveer? So the kids have gone for a fun tube, and far away you can see them, and there's some scuba lessons going on. It's such a great place. You have so many things to do. I think 5 days are pretty less for me. I'm gonna make the most out of it. So this episode is dedicated to the undersea restaurant here called MI16. It's if you book it, it's really expensive. It's part of my package, and we're gonna see all the fishes while having lunch. So that's the lift. Gihan is taking us 6 meters under the sea. Pretty excited. This is just such a nice restaurant, and you can see the fishes. So we have a 5-course meal, and we've started with some champagne cocktails and some nice bread and seaweed butter. There's a special kids menu as well, so you have spaghetti and lots of sundaes, ice creams and stuff. It's a great meal. Shania, what are you eating? So this is my lovely cocktail. It's called the M6M Manhattan. Some whiskey, champagne, some cranberry juice. Looks great. With some lovely starters. Cheers all of you to good life and Maldives. What a place. Maldives was just like heaven. Matlab, it was, I can't just tell you, it's unimaginable. Trip was great, food was good, travel was easy. जो गवर्नमेंट के रूल्स है if you follow, I don't think it's a big issue. I also got, my family got a COVID test done again while coming back. और कुछ ऐप है इंडियन गवर्नमेंट के when you do a international travel. So I would recommend आप सारे norms follow कीजिए and shouldn't be a big problem. Also for the government and the airport authorities, it's a big stress with so many passengers coming in such difficult times. Overall the trip was great and lovely experience. अगर आप Maldives नहीं गए तो I would highly recommend you to go there ASAP.